3 birds.
1 house.
1 life. A Bird's Life, Part 1.
Hey, Mom. Oh, yes, sweetie? Maybe we can play tag. Okay, fine, I guess. Then you're it. Hey! Got you. Oh, well, you're it. No, you're it. Hey! Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. I didn't realize the time. I have to start making dinner. Okay, Mom. Maybe our friend will play with me. Hey, will you play tag with me?
Oh, sure.
Whoosh.
Tag, you're it.
Oh, hey, you're a cat fight. Hey. Or bird fight.
Tag.
More like cat fight. Anyway, you're it.
You're it.
You're it.
Oh, my stomach started to hurt. I'm just gonna go get some rest.
Of course. Maybe I'll bring you down some nuts too.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Oh, no, I'm fine. It's just my stomach started to hurt.
Okay. Ow!
Sorry.
I'll swing a little on the swing. This nut looks nice and ripe. I'll bring it on down. Hey,
Oh, hi.
here's that nut. You remember how to eat them.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
Sure, no problem. Oh dear, I hope she'll be okay.